early childhood till date, we will be listening from our senior artists, senior theatre artists or theatre practitioners and the theatre lovers that we as India has a long tradition for theatre. We always heard that it's a long canvas which has been stretched all over India. Every part of our country is dealing with theatre in different forms. We have been listening. Same way, the coming generation is asking us the question, if this is happening, this was happening, then how could we see that? And there lies the question, how we can show it to the next generation. Because our generation or the previous generation was not so aware about documenting the happenings in theatre. Very rarely a play is being documented. Very rarely researches about performances has been documented. And at this juncture, when Bhavna Theatre is doing this work for last 10 years, it's really commendable. It's the need of the time that the rich tradition that has been followed by us and that is newly created to be followed by the future needs to be documented. And that need is being fulfilled by some theatre journals. Very few, but very important. Covering up of the performances, trying to fold out the different styles of acting, different styles of performances, different scripts, different way of looking at the theatre, different spaces for theatre performances. These all are to be documented, and you are doing a very nice job. Especially when you are writing about some actors, director, interviewing them, interviewing different technical artists, and most importantly, covering some of the important theatre festivals. These festivals are to be introduced to other people who don't stay nearby that festival, but by the way of documentation it can reach to them. Bhavna Theatre, or sometimes it's Bhavna Theatre, there have been confusions while pronouncing what it is exactly, but confusion doesn't matter. What matters is the matter which is documented. Bhavna Theatre has been doing this job. They have been covering all sort of theatre movements. Actually, we need so many people to do that. But those who are doing, they are doing it tremendously. At the completion of the 10th year of Bhavna Theatre, I congratulate them on behalf of myself, on behalf of my theatre students, on behalf of my Goan theatre lovers. I congratulate them very hard from the bottom of the heart, and wish them all good luck in their coming projects. All the best. Thank you.